Minsan, hindi ka naman talaga pagod sa pagnenegosyo at sa pagbebenta. Pero minsan, pagod ka dahil ikaw nang nagbebenta, ikaw pang nagre-recruit, nag-aayos ng papeles, gumagawa ng marami pang trabaho. Lahat, ikaw. Ako to noon. And yes, okay naman lahat ng ginagawa ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko kaya ng sabay-sabay. Until I reached a point na kahit may benta ako, wala akong gana. So I tried something I never gave serious thought before. Delegation. Sabi ko sa sekretary ko, ikaw na yung gumawa ng servicing ko. Yung claims ko, ikaw na rin. You know what? I felt it agad kasi gumaan agad yung trabaho ko. Biglang mas clear na yung utak ko. Mas effective na akong gumawa ng ibang bagay, kagaya ng closing ng deal, mag-coach ng mga tao, at mag-present sa kliyente. Akala ko noon mahalang magkaroon ng sekretary. Pero ang totoo, mahalang ma-burnout, mahalang mawala ng momentum, at mawala ng oras sa pamilya. The time, the clarity, and the energy I got in return, sulit. Doon ko na-realize that when you delegate, you don't just save time. You buy back your energy, your focus, and you buy back your life. So ang ginawa ko, I added more. One for recruitment, I have one for servicing and monitoring, and meron din akong video editor na kinuha. Pero bakit nga ba hindi isang tao na lang ang gumagawa ng lahat? Mainly because I wanted them to focus. I don't need a helper, I need a specialist. Yung skills ko sa recruitment, ngayon ginagawa na ng recruitment secretary ko. Yung dedication ko sa clients ko, ginagawa na yan ng monitoring and servicing secretary ko. At syempre ang videos ko, binabato ko na lang to sa editor ko. Lahat ng yan napapasa na sa bawat tao sa system ko. Kasi when you delegate, you multiply your time and you duplicate your skill set. And of course, you create a mental space para gawin mo lang mga bagay na high-value task like closing a deal, coaching your team, at marami pang bagay na hindi mo pwedeng i-delegate sa mga tao. Like spending time with your kids and your family. Ngayon, I still sell, I still show up, and I still lead. Pero I'm not drowning anymore. I have people who help me breathe. I have time to rest, to rethink, to regroup, and to spend time with my kids and my husband without a guilt. So if you're in a season na parang ang bigat-bigat na, lahat dinadala mo na, lahat ng trabaho ginagawa mo na, maybe it's not about doing more. Maybe it's about letting go of some tasks and let others do with you. Because the real boss, hindi dapat pagod. Don't just work hard, work smarter. Now is the time to delegate.